What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Curl. Welcome back for another video, my girl. So, first of all, how are you today? You good? Okay, great. In this video, I will be doing 3 different ways. 3 different ways for you to style your twist out. But I'll be using something special, okay, to help me, okay, throughout this process. So today I'll be using Swirly Curly, okay? So a lot of you all know I've been using these snap hair ties for forever, okay? That's the only thing I use when I do anything ponytail related. This is what's gonna help me achieve the style today. And yeah, girl, stay tuned. So you're excited, huh? 3 ways to style your twist out. All right, so let's get this video started. Girl, let's get it. So the reason I've been using this brand for so long, because it just basically makes my life easier, okay? So I'm gonna show you one of my older hair ties just so you can see what it does. So basically they have a snap right here, a button snap, whatever you wanna call it, and then all you have to do is that right there, girl, and yeah, it comes apart. For one, this makes it so much easier for me to take down my ponytails, and I can only think about children. You know, look, once their hair start getting tangled or something, it gets serious. So that's why I like these. You can end up taking your ponytail down with no problem. Just easy. And then also too, as you can think, you know, you can add more as well if you wanted to. Heard that? So I can add more to this to make it longer if I wanted to. Let me give you an example. So yeah, I can easily add some more to make this longer. You know, something like that if you want to. You know, you got a couple options, okay? You want to push the hair back, it's just in your way. You're like, come on, get out my face. You can use these. Just style a little bit better than what I just did. Let me scoot it back. Look at like something. First off, grab Swirly Curly. I'm gonna grab 2 of them. First of all, shout out to the packaging. This is cute. Grab 2 of these right here. These are fairly new, so they are pretty tight. But as you keep using them, they will stretch out. But the good thing is that these are also machine wash safe. Okay. So yeah, you can wash these, dry them, and then you'll be good. But yeah. All right, so this one is straight to the point. You know how videos are. We just want to give you something that's really easy to achieve, okay? Now this is based off your style preference, but I just grab the hair from the top and try to work my way all around to get enough hair. I'm gonna grab a Swirly Curly snap hair tie. And then right here, push a little bit back off my forehead. And then I'm just going to tie it around twice, only because it's new. And then we just pull on the ponytail we made just a little bit, and then we fluff it out. I'm just pinching the middle of the ponytail just so I can bring some hair in the middle and so I can have like a better shape. But keep playing with it. If you want it to come down on your face a little bit, that's the thing. Just pull one of the curls. Not everybody ain't ready. So that's a look right here. This hair tie blended with no problem, okay? And they have a couple more colors for you to choose from. So just keep shaping it, you know, don't give up on the shape. But yeah, so then when I'm ready to take it down, I just like that, okay? Easy steps, sis. Swirly Curly also has snap headbands. I said it. So I'm gonna show you how to use this with your twist out. Obviously easy, right? How it looks right here. Come on, all of it matters. The branding is just on it. Cute. This is so cute. So basically, this is where it snaps apart. Okay. I just ended up snapping one of them. And now I'm just pushing everything back. Y'all know I love headbands. And so now we have another look. Okay, of course, you get the edges if you want. But the great thing is too, when you're wearing this, your edges are protected as well. And that is something, okay, we care about, we look for. We don't want to dry our edges. It's so cute. I like this headband, don't you? Ah, that's cute. Which I know you're probably like, Janae, that was super simple. That's how it is. And that's how I go. And I like the fact that even if I don't have these snapped, it's still cute. It still flows, right? That's smart, okay? Just like that. Y'all, this is so smart. I'm so late. This is reversible. I didn't even notice that. I'm sitting there like, wait a minute. Both sides have the buttons. Look at that. Now that's smart. All right, so this is more of the scrunchy version of the snap hair ties. Once again, cute packaging. You already know how it goes and flows here. I'm just gonna pull one of these out. Isn't this cute? Like, I can walk around with this armrest. It's like, right? Y'all know y'all would too. All right, so it's the same concept. Snap it just like that. So I'm gonna do a ponytail with this as well, but we're gonna leave a little bit of the front out. I'm gonna bring all of this up. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. This is my first time using this, so let me make sure I'm showing y'all correctly. These are new, so. All right, so the same thing, go in here and just snap it. Okay? And of course, you can use two of them so that you can have a bigger puff. I think I have too much hair left out. I think I do. So my hair is getting a little bit frizzy in the front, obviously, because we're touching a lot, but all you gotta do is just retwist it the front and then go from there. So I just took a little bit more hair back into the ponytail, and of course, smooth out this hair if you need to, if you want to. Let's add that headband back just to see what that will look like. And I know it's gonna be cute, so I'm already just getting excited here. Oh gosh, this is so cute. Of course, this has to be my favorite look that I did today. And let me know down below which one you like the best out of all the styles I did. Of course, they're simple, but that's what it is. You want easy to do styles, okay? That's what we're doing here. So as you can see, these are the reasons why I love Swirly Curly. For one, they always have my snap hair ties that I like to use, but also too, now they have so many different more options for you to buy and try, like the scrunchie, and of course the snap headband. It's just perfect, okay? So make sure you check out www.swirlycurlyhair.com, girl, and see what you want, okay? Has something been eyeing you throughout this whole video? Go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link down below for you. Yes, just for you. And girl, guess what I got? I have a coupon code that you can use as well. So all that information will be down below for you to check out. You know I got your back. But yeah, so I hope you found this video educating, a little entertaining. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and girl, subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew. Yes. And as always, I thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.